We're delighted by our most recent 5-star review from one of our valued customers. Our team works hard to go the extra mile, so this type of review is very rewarding. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to always constantly work on improving our processes to make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We love to make you a happy customer. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.